Hello everyone, this printer is Canon TS3750i or 3700 series. What I want to do is to show you how to print photo from mobile phone and computer with this printer. First of all, we're going to load photo paper. This is 4x6 photo paper. You need to make sure the printable area face up. So go to the rear paper tray, load the paper you want to use. This is 4x6. Adjust this paper clip. Also go to the paper select button to select this button to kg 4x6. kg 4x6 inch or 10 by 15 centimeter. Then select OK to confirm the paper. So the paper is selected. To print photo from mobile phone and computer with this printer, you need to make sure the phone and laptop and printer all are connected together via a wireless network. So we connected all via Wi-Fi network. This is Canon Print app. Select photo prints. So it will show all the photos on your mobile device. The next thing to do is select on the photo. It will take a good mark to show you that the photo is selected. Then you select next. It will show you the photo. Then select print settings. Select number of copies. The size 4x6, 10 by 15 centimeter. Media type, photo paper plus glossy 2. Borderless. Borderless selected. We want to print the photo in color. Auto fix is on. Sharpness is on. Then you go back. Then select print. This is the photo we printed out from mobile phone, and also it will show you printing is completed. You can see how smooth and shiny it is. Now I want to show you how to print from laptop or PC. Printer was connected via a wireless network. Then go to laptop start. Then go to Microsoft Store. Then search Canon Print app. Download Canon Print app on your PC. To print photo, select photo print. Then select the photo. The photo I want us to print is in download section. Select download. Then type the photo name, select on the photo, then select open. This is the photo I want us to print out. Then select the size as 4x6, orientation, portrait, media type, photo paper plus glossy. Print quality, scroll down to select high. You can also select auto, high or standard. Borderless is on. This is borderless. Then select the color. Paper source, rear paper tray. Then select number of copies. Use up or down to select number of copies. Then select print. This is the photo we printed out. You can see how smooth and shiny it is. Another method to print from mobile phone, and also another method to print from computer. I will not print the photo, but I will show you so that you are aware. So select my files, then you select image. If you select image, so when you select on the image, then you select print icon. It will show you platforms you can print with. Select print. It will show you this app. You scroll down and wait for the printer name to show. So the printer is available, Canon TS3750i series. Select on it. This is the photo. Then you select the size as 4x6, orientation, portrait, and also color. Then you select this yellow printer icon to print it out. But I will not print it out. This is another method to print photo from this printer with mobile phone. Now I want to show you another way to print photo from computer with this printer. You go to File Explorer, select File Explorer, then select wherever you save the photo, download, then double click the photo to open. This is the photo we want to print out. Then to print it out, you select Ctrl P. The printer is picked up. Orientation, portrait. Then you select number of copies. Select the paper. Scroll down to select 4x6, 10 by 15 centimeter. Paper type, scroll down to select photo paper glossy. Then you can select print to print the photo out. I will not print it out, but this is another method for you to print photo from Windows instead of using Canon print app. Likewise, on mobile phone, you can also print using Android printing. I hope this helped you. While you are here, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed.